Welcome to Lesson 11.3. In this session, we'll explore how to manage time effectively within a challenge-based learning journey. You'll learn how to build a shared roadmap, structure key moments, and involve students and stakeholders in a transparent and sustainable process. We're going to walk through 5 practical steps together. First, we'll build a shared roadmap with our colleagues. Then, we'll set deadlines that are both clear and realistic, so everyone knows what to expect. From the very beginning, we'll bring key stakeholders on board, making sure their perspectives are included. We'll also take the time to share expectations with students. And finally, we'll stay aligned and in constant communication with our external partners. Let's get started. Managing time well is one of the keys to success in challenge-based learning. It's not just about marking deadlines, it's about creating a clear and shared roadmap that guides the entire process, step by step. This is something to do with your colleagues, not alone. Collaborating with the teaching team helps ensure alignment, allows different perspectives to emerge, and distributes the work in a sustainable way. When the whole team shares the same vision, the challenge becomes easier to manage and more effective for students. When you design the roadmap, remember to give students enough time to face the challenge properly. One of the most common mistakes in CBL is underestimating how long it takes to investigate deeply, explore creative solutions, and revise ideas. Real learning happens through trial and error, so students need time to explore, make mistakes, and try again. Clear deadlines are crucial, not just for students, but also for the teaching team. Plan in advance when students need to deliver work, but also decide when you and your colleagues will give feedback or run check-ins. A good strategy is to create 2 parallel timelines. One is for students, listing all their key deadlines. The other, more detailed, helps the teaching team organize mentoring moments, evaluations, and support tasks. Don't forget to include presentations of student work along the way, both intermediate and final. These moments help students stay accountable and make their progress visible. Think early on about who should attend student presentations. It might be the challenge provider, other teachers, parents, or even members of the local community. Deciding this in advance allows you to send invitations in time and ensure that key stakeholders can participate. Also, remember to mark all deadlines and events in your personal calendar. This simple habit helps you stay organized and avoids last-minute surprises. Once the roadmap is ready, share it with your students. This step is crucial for transparency. When students know exactly what is expected of them and when, they feel less anxious and more confident. Be open to their feedback. If something isn't clear or needs adjusting, take the time to listen and refine the plan together. This shared approach strengthens their sense of ownership and encourages autonomy. Sharing the roadmap with the challenge provider and other stakeholders is just as important. When partners know exactly what their role is, they are more likely to stay engaged throughout the project. Let them know when they'll be needed, whether for presentations, feedback sessions, or specific check-ins. Be flexible. Sometimes you'll need to adjust dates to fit their schedules. Their active participation is what makes the learning process authentic. This concludes Module 11. In the next one, we'll open Module 12, where we'll explore what intermediate and final assessments can support the role of the teacher in guiding students through the CBL process. See you there.